Very short video about my experience with the Canva online video editor. In the first 2 minutes with this video editor, which is now related to the Amazon Influencer Program, I found 2 showstoppers, so I wanted to share them with you so you can save your time and money. First problem, it's not possible to upload video files larger than 1 gigabyte. These days 1 gigabyte is really nothing. Recording 2 minutes with a GoPro in decent resolution makes a video file already larger than 1 gigabyte. And the second problem is the automatic video editing, which is limited to cutting off shaky starts and ends. That's no AI cutting, no silence cutting. That's definitely not state of the art. So if you're looking for a decent online video editor which allows large files and does decent automated video editing, then I have something better than that, and that's the Capwing video editor. It's also not perfect, but definitely way better than Canva, and still my best recommendation as of 2025. If you're interested to start with a free trial, then you can find my affiliate link for Capwing down in the description of the video. Yeah, that was it. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with Canva, then just let us know down in the feedback area. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.